And what we have here, many would consider, certainly those in the jazz world, this is the most iconic of all archtop guitars. Because under the guidance of Lloyd Lower, when he came on board after Orville Gibson was basically put to pasture, he was the first guy to actually put F-holes into the top of a guitar. So in other words, this was the very first model of guitar in the world to be built in the fashion of a cello, with a carved arch top, carved arched back, and F-holes in the soundboard. This particular model is in 1929. There are a few places around the binding where the plastic is kind of loose and letting go. Other than the complete refret setup and then an intonated bridge cap, there's a multitude of other little things that we're going to take care of as we move along with this guitar. And as always, on the Patreon channel, you'll be getting a play-by-play on this whole job, A to Z.